Hello travellers, so just a quick update from Made to let you know where I'm at and what reviews I have coming up. So I did put an order through on Decathlon for the 20 litre NH100 20 litre backpack, and I did the vote on the YouTube community tab, as you can see here, and the blue coloured one, which actually on their site is labelled khaki, was the winner. So I ordered that one because I do plan to do a giveaway for that one. So one of you guys will be having the chance to win that bag after I finish the review of it. But as you can see in this picture, the actual colours are quite different than what the website shows. So I have sent the khaki one back and I will be doing a review on the black one instead, because I feel like the black one has more appealing colours. So also I ordered this one from Decathlon, which is the ultralight 20 litre waterproof backpack that collapses into its own bag. So I'll be doing a review of that one. So also by popular request, I'm going to be doing a review of the Nabaji, I guess that's how you pronounce it, but let me know in the comments if that's not correct. So that is the Nabaji microfiber towel, and that is the medium size. I'll be comparing that to some of the Sea to Summit ones. And one last thing I saw on the Decathlon site, which I thought was quite interesting, the Fourclas. So it's listed as a toiletry bag. You can put your different toothbrushes and toothpastes and everything in here. But I have seen people use a similar looking bag for cables, so you could have different cables for different electronics. So this could be an electronic organizer. So I'm definitely going to be reviewing that one. And it's very lightweight and very cheap. I really love the color on this thing too. It's kind of a blue, which sort of has an iridescent greenness to it. But I'll try to see if I can make that shine through a bit more in the sunlight. But it's a very nice color, and it feels like pretty good quality, and that it's going to be a pretty interesting little product. So I do have some more clothing reviews coming up as well. What I'm actually wearing is one of the new colors from the Wool & Prince t-shirts. And also from Wool & Prince, I will be doing a review on the chinos. So these are a wool blend chino, and they feel very nice and are very comfortable. I'm really looking forward to doing the review of that one. So on the YouTube community tab, I also did a poll of which backpack review you want to see next, and the one with the most votes so far, and still at a significant lead, is the Topo Designs 30 litre travel bag. So that's this one here. And I am testing that one and really looking forward to doing the review of that one. I do have some trips coming up as well, so I plan to put it to good use for those trips to really get a feel for how it works on the road. And last but not least, I also have a review of the Turtle Pillow Plus. So the Turtle Pillow is one of the reviews I did a few years ago, and it's been one of my most popular videos for quite a while. So I'm very excited to be doing a review of the Plus version, which has an adjustable height and is much more comfortable, albeit a little bit more bulky, but comfort is king when you're trying to sleep on a plane. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments which review you're most excited to see, or even if there's some other products you'd like to see me review. And please stay subscribed to keep up to date with all these exciting new reviews.